everyone, welcome to Eula's channel. I'm your robot Eula, and this is my friend Jen.
Hello everyone, my name is Jane.
So today we are going to try the new thing, which is we are going to unboxing in English.
Yes, that's a challenge.
That's a challenge. And today we are going to unboxing Gingerbread house. Yay! Have you done Gingerbread house?
Once. It's in a while. It's not a gingerbread house, the gingerbread man, like this one, the small one.
So this will be your first time to build a house?
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Let's see.
Try it.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do it. Hopefully our house will be pretty and not broken.
And it won't collapse. That's the thing.
Okay, so we have icing
And the gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house. Yay!
I think this is
That's our base.
yeah, the base.
Should we do a challenge?
What kind of challenge?
Like if we say in Chinese, we need to get rid of one candy.
Small one? Sure. Yeah, I can try small one.
I think we should start
Start with the big one?
from the big one.
I thought you said we're gonna get rid of one of the houses.
2 days ago, I was doing a live stream, and then in the show, they do like a gingerbread house challenge. They need to build a house in 3 minutes. And then,
How is it gonna work? 3 minutes.
so they didn't work. Renee, you did a good job, but I was crying laughing. After 3 minutes, they can start decorating, and then it's like a mess there. It's like pieces. It's not even a house. So I was like, how am I going to do a gingerbread house? I'm glad I did it, and then I was like mentally prepared for today. So,
Okay.
how to open this? Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
It says build trade. So probably this side.
Just massage the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes. This is a good channel. We don't want to make it as a bad channel, you know. I think we should be good. Can we? I think we can cut it. No? What do you think?
I think we can cut it.
We put the front and the back, everything together.
This is front and back.
I guess so.
How to do it?
Probably like this. Yeah, like that. Like this, right?
Did I cut it too small? I feel like I need more glue. I feel like... Oh my god. I already fell.
Guess that's how you do it.
Jen,
Can
I tell you something?
Yeah.
Your wall is upside down.
Oh wait, what? Why?
My window, my bricks.
Well, I guess this is mine for now.
What's yours?
This is my basement. Where's my small one? Wait,
What's
where's
small
my
one?
another one?
You have mine.
I'm like, where's my?
I thought you don't need it.
I guess you don't want me to make it. How dare you?
We're doing a challenge, right? We are doing like who's prettier. If you only have 3 walls, then that means I win.
Well, I'm gonna make it as a backyard. If I only have 3 walls, I'm gonna make it a backyard.
Who needs the 4th wall?
Exactly. We need to break the 4th wall.
Only the theater people, right?
Don't trip. No. Go back. Okay. This is my basement house.
Did you put basement on both sides?
Yep. You know, when you make a mistake, you gotta stick with it.
Do I need to hold it like, stay there? Oh no, my house is falling
Faster
apart.
than me.
Oh no!
Oh
Is this really for kids? How are they going to do this? Did you fart?
no! No, I did not. The icing part.
Excuse me? Oh no! My house! How am I going to fix it? Can I tell you something?
Yes. My roof's upside down there.
I don't know if I have enough icing.
Feel like you were correct. Because we used a lot of icing to build the wall already.
Yesterday, I was asking my friend Ellie how to build a gingerbread house. Can I use hair dryer to just blow it?
It will melt, girl.
Yeah, that's what you told me. I don't know. This is my first time.
That's okay. Oh man. Oh god.
I think I will win the challenge.
Oh god. Jesus.
But my roof is sliding. Come back. This gingerbread house is taking even longer than I thought. I thought it's easy. It's not. I can't.
It's a PG-13. Nope.
Oh no, oh no. My icing is leaking. Oh no.
Oh, I have a natural dripping down.
Nice. I think this is pretty good.
Look at mine. I think mine look good, not as pretty as yours.
Oh no, oh no. Oh. My pretty roof. Oh no. Okay, after 2 hours. Let's see how we did.
Yeah. Who think of this is for kids? I don't believe this is for kids. This is for parents.
This is so hard, man.
Exactly.
Okay, tell us your design.
Basically, my design is a basement. See? Remember, I made a mistake. I put it upside down, so I made a basement. And one of my roof is upside down as well. Right here, this one. So you guys can see. I mean, I just stick with a mistake and then see improv what you're gonna give it to me.
Yeah. I think yours is pretty good. And then, what is this?
This is a Pinocchio's nose. So you see, this is like a third eye, Pinocchio, and this is the nose, this is the cheek and the mouth. Have a Christmas green.
Okay, you make it so pretty. Mine just like disaster. So, as you know, my icing bag was broken, so it just like messed up my pretty design. So I'm pretty mad. But here's a tip: if your icing bag broke, just find a bag. Don't like me, put the icing in the bag at the end. That's bad. Do it at the beginning. I already destroyed my roof, so I try to make it like just whole piece of snow. Hopefully I save it. And then, are you ready for this? This is the bell. And then,
I have a basement. She has a garage.
Here's the garage. You're welcome.
Look at my gingerbread man. So
He's not happy. Guys, comment below who did a better job. Who do you think win the challenge? How pretty is
Look
that?
at mine. Mine have a lot of Christmas light. I have very unique design, signature Pinocchio.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video in English. Hope we did a good job.
I hope we did.
I think we did a good job. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel. Also, if you like, please hit the bell button so you will get the notification that I upload the new video. I will see you next time. Bye!